including TV West. Because
the main TV.
The main
Let's
TV.
add that.
The main TV. So as we are getting ready for tomorrow, abantu mwena ntubeta ngu murebe TV Zone na TV West, NTV, nanezindi. So konkatu antuenda specifically tubagambira murama gwa nyenchakare.
Now, Nindeba theme Nigerian empowering graduates in the era of competence-based learning for a sustainable future. Echo nichimaisa chikanti genderiri okutuma abantu bateka harije.
Kuteka ngu KIU itwe tukwegesa abana cyonka kushobora hero bakatandika kuronda emirimo kuyaho ntushongora abana turebuka ngo umwana yaza kuruga KIU nategwa kushohora are ready for the market. So ntubashongora umuringo ko kureba ngo they are problem solvers in the market.
Okay.
So we have everything at Kampala International University. Twine labs, twine buri kimwe cyona kandi numanya ngo itwe twine amashomero ga buri muringo gona. Arts and Sciences, both campuses, Kampala and Ishaka. So by tomorrow, we make sure that abana bataza graduating izo bari yanyenchakare n'abana abakushohora heru bakasorovinga ebizu by'abantu. Orwire abana nibakuchebera oyine kizibu to kumanya computer abana nibija ba making sure ngo wabo ino murimo gona go gukora bagukoraho kandi barebuka ngo babarya hero okwe nabo bagire bayegesa abandi bantu. So abana tukuza graduating nchakare they are ready, not going to look for jobs out there. So twine kubahamisiriza abazire nyenchakare nyaburamu imwe oyino mwana naza kujwara izo barya nyenchakare ijani o celebrating no mwana wawe mazima.
Okay.
Yes.
Before we dive deeper into the courses that you offer at KIU Sean, this is where you come in for the community around the university, this campus. How significant is this event of graduation to the people around the university? Because the university is supposed to impact society.
Yep.
So how have you worked together to make sure that impact is actually seen?
Thank you very much.
That's
okay. Emyaka gyonna egiyiseewo ku Kampala International University abantu ekintu ekimu kye balina okusooka okujjukira nti Kampala International University emazeewo emyaka 25. Ekyokubiri abantu abasinga tebajjangako okulaba KIU ye Ishaka bagigeraageranya nnyo n'eye Kampala oba n'eye Tanzania. Eye Ishaka ndalamu kati bw'ojja n'oleetamu aspect ya community nja kusooka nkwe example eri immediate omunaku nga lumu oba bbiri tunaatwakamala graduation. Okujjukira olunaku lwa sirimu which is World AIDS Day falling 1st December celebrating Ishaka main event eri ku Kampala International Teaching Hospital and Research yesooka kati okujja kwa university eno mu community ebbanga lyemazeewo abagifunyemu ate actually abasinga bakirabira wabweru n'okusinga community eri wano kati graduation kemaze nejja guno omulundi gwakubiri ngeze side eno omulundi guno gwezze jukira twogera Kampala International University twogera ku bayizi abava mu mawanga agasukka kati mbasi ntijukira bulungi 32 amawanga ag'enjawulo ne ba graduating bonna bava gye bavudde ngo gaseko n'abasomesa ne bajja mu community yemu. Era omuntu omu yampa example emu n'angamba nti mu bintu ebisinze okukola enjawulo mu Bushenyi ne Ishaka Kampala International University mu kukisookera ddala mu byonna. So abantu bw'obanga ogenze nga ku example ya Teaching Hospital buli lunaku olwokuna wabeerayo okukebera okwa obulamu bw'omuntu n'okumujjanjaba okw'obwerere.
Okay.
Okomerere.
That's key.
Yes, ogenda lwokuna gwekeera bukeezi line ereme kukwata nga mpanvu. Abantu bonna okuva gye bava yonna mu Uganda gw'olaba gy'ova n'ojja n'oyigira. So graduation eno gaba majaguza nti omwana asomye n'abaako atuuse n'avaamu nga banguse nnyo ate ekisukka ku ekyo nti abantu abali mu community ne area eri around byekibasuubira okusooka okukifunamu okusinga n'abantu abali ebbali. Kyenkugambye wali tatosanga abantu abali ebbali be bakirabamu obulungi n'omulamu.
That's right. Yes. Christine, abeegi abatyo tuza kushoboza amashomo agubashomere no gugaha agu university eriyo nati necherezana n'abandi that can walk into the gates of KIU.
Yeah, there are so many, and I will just mention according to their faculties.
Yes, you could summarize them.
Yeah. We are graduating students under the Faculty of Clinical Medicine, pharmacy, engineering, business, education, to mention but a few. Yeah, because like I have told you, Tuinamashomo in both areas, science and arts. So we have categorized them under humanities and STEM. So even tomorrow we are going to announce the percentages under STEM, how many are they, and we award, by the way, abana bakobamba jwara, to making sure ngu to awarding the best student under STEM, to awarding also the best student under humanities, to encourage them. No manya Uganda, but we bagamba chintu cha sciences. So to making sure ngu in that area to encouraging abana omwana wa graduating asinjira abandi bono mu university yona both Kampala and Western to awarding kandi to recognizing mu mishoga abandi. Then also nano humanities such that because we need these students.
Yes, we do.
Yeah, we need them. We need also these students in the area of humanities. And also ninjano muchumanyangu tuine nabashomesa, and in fact very soon we shall have in service going on because we are going for the holiday. So we make sure that we encourage all students in all areas. So nyenchakale abana bona in these areas like I have mentioned, and you know very well in Kampala we have more students in the area of law. We are the best in Uganda in the area of law. Kandi Kampala, I think it is doing well even at LDC. We have always had our best students at LDC. So izoberi anyenchakale areas zone zinagamba business, engineering, pharmacy, clinical medicine, we shall graduate all these students. Kandi mbweni niendanga mbele abantu that we have 3 intakes in a year. We have January, we have April, and we have August. So as we talk, our January intake is ongoing. So ntubeta abantu mwena as we graduate tomorrow, other intakes keep coming in. So ntubeta ngo as we open up for January, come and join Kampala International University. Kuna
garuka owa ndugu Sean Chimuri. Nomanya University is a very dynamic place to be. Na abeegi ati abamwene ba graduating abane ne bataha mu okushoma. But what's that special ingredient for the time that you've worked with KIU that you have seen that is not anywhere else?
It is about a space of about 3 areas and elements. One has already been put very well in the theme that we are celebrating this year. Competence-based is the word. Competence-based. Echo element yamanyi nnyo naye nga ogyeko ekyo katugende mu infrastructure. Katugende ku facilitation, and let's go into research and innovation.
And that's what defines the university? Yes.
If you get in that area and you look at the projects that they put, that have come through under KIU, ezimu publicized. Most of the information about KIU, I'll tell you about this and I will take the course. Nti waliwo ebintu ebimu bye tutayogerako. Ngate bikulu nnyo okubulira abantu nti bononya research papers eza KIU ne bobo zinonyezaako online kyanjawulo nnyo. Waliwo ensonga lwaki platform ez'enjawulo eziri international ezitali regulated by anyone or ezitali manipulated by anyone like Webometrics. Kiriale evayo negamba nti KIU bwe tumaze okukola okunoonyereza n'okukebera buli wamu bwe tutuuka mu East Africa ye private university esinga. Tebasobola kyogera nti yesinga olw'okuba erina branch e Kampala oba erina eshaka balina ebintu bye batunuulira. There are attributes that's contributing kwekyo nti bw'ojja nekibanga it's abantu abamu kibaluma bulumi okukkiriza n'okkiriza n'ogamba nti ekituufu kiri nti KIU ye best private university mu Uganda ne East Africa. Tate ye university eddako okubeera ey'amaanyi ng'ogyeko ani mukulu waffe Makerere University. Tibojjawo Makerere University bwe KIU esooka. KIU egenze mu position okumala emyaka 25. Position eyo libadde tafaali ku tafaali okutunuulira abayizi beetaaga ki. tuba tutunulira abayizi kyebetaaga ate market yeetaaga ki tugenze mu era ennaku zino ey'enjawulo abantu abasinga gye beeraliikiridde ennyo ng'ovudde mu digitalization and digitization katuli mu artificial intelligence ne machine learning kati KIU ekyo tekyebakiddemu it's already taken steps is it well calculated to ensure that that particular area is already covered. Bw'ona otunuulira one of the PhD students abagenda okufuna PhDs. One of the accomplishments and innovations is in that area of artificial intelligence. Ojja biraba gabiwulira ku TV ojja biraba bulungi. So KIU etwala buli ddaala okutunuulira ki ekiri mu katale. Abayizi abazze ki kye beetaaga okubeera abayizi abagenda okwetaagisibwa mu biseera by'omaaso ebijja neereeta facilities ezimu kati abantu abasinga tebamanyi nti facility ezo gye ziri kiringa ekyama ekiri awo ekikusika ekyamaanyi.
Wow, dakika ni inaweza igumisha ibiri akasheke izoba jenyu banje ni Christine hamwena na Sean na baruga mwitendekero ya Kampala International University ubagumiza mu Okwetebeekanisiza nyenchakare izoba lya mani muno bitumje mukuru wanyu no hanyenchakare
umujenyi mukuru ntwe expecting abajenyi bingi munonga.
Okay.
Konka, as we talk right now, we have confirmed with the deputy speaker.
Okay.
And in case, because I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
The protocol and David in case, especially in this season that we are in.
For security reasons.
For security reasons. Program emerireta tutwena twesirwe.
Yeah, abanya Uganda mwena. East Africa. Na Africa, because you know it is an international university.
And that's where my next question wants to come from. What is the
And especially Westerners. We gave out cards.
Yeah.
Of course, whoever was given an invitation card is invited.
Okay.
Yeah, is invited for security reasons. Of course, we cannot make it public that all of you come and attend a graduation. So whoever was given an invitation, whoever was given an invitation, kindly come and attend this graduation.
Kokana when jams zakwatu in the proceedings on TV and television, so abantu basakumiza barebe chikugenda omumisho. KIU has very many international students. Wazo muri shaka noza kushanga bagamba Nigeria. Bagamba Nigeria, Somalia, very many of them. From the research that you've done, what attracts these students to Kampala International University?
There are so many.
Yeah,
there are nebintu byingi munonga. Especially like we have mentioned our infrastructures. But yomweno mu Uganda na amanya KIU is the best infrastructures as twine. Like I mentioned earlier, we have the greatest labs in Uganda, in KIU. We have the best lecturers, both locals and international lecturers. We have whatever it takes, of course, like I have mentioned. So we have the best programs, as I have mentioned earlier. So abantu mwena mwamuhurire byona waleba ebitwine KIU labs ezitwine ebyombeke ebitwine abegesa bitwine abana kuba kubihurira bareba na games and sports, especially when you normally, if you have been following, we have been doing well and tukolaje ombinte byemizano. So abana kuba kura na talents zabo bija KIU nziba exercised. So nchibe encouraging agumane bija. So ebinte bye byona ko kubiteka hamwe bye encouraging abana kuija bakajoininga Kampala International University.
Yes, we're about to bring this to a close. Sean, Nyechaka is graduating Abeegi, and they're going to join other students that are already out there. Naemba njagala kubuuzako, if I may try my Luganda, but njagala kubuuzako abayizi abamala emisomo gyabwe abali mu market already. Are you in touch with them? University manyi ko bye bakola abali eyo mu mirimu already? Is there like a system nga mutegeere kiri ku ground before we send these ones to so
Ndakuwa example nibwenzugulawo kati WhatsApp. Example jengendo kuwa
very practical man.
Very practical. Sagala ogameti omusajja ebintu byayogera byakubala ate. And the first group I am opening, I'm just going to open one group to give you an example.
One of the many groups.
One of the many groups to show you that I mean, communication has been elevated in one way
Yes.
or the other. So that is one single group that has been active as of this morning. How many people are there?
This is 1,021 members.
That is one group.
This is one group.
But this is active.
Yes.
There is a follow-up on these students, and there are mega plans to ensure that waliwo alumni homecoming ey'amaanyi naye ekikyaleese obuzibu tunajaawa. Yeah, but the follow-up is there, and but student bano bonna, I think Madam Christine akimentioninzeeko n'agamba nti mu discipline zonna ze tulina gye bafulumye ne gye balaze they testify. They testify. Emabegako awo omuntu omu yatandika hashtag emu n'agamba eno hashtag erina kuba I am KIU okulaga okubuulira abantu ki kye tukola. I have had people testify nti the most disciplined, the most forthcoming doctors or interns in all hospitals across the entire country who are at over 70% from KIU come from KIU. The most disciplined, the most forthcoming, and the ones with the best results come from here, come from KIU. So ebintu ebyo tubiwulira tutya obalabira ku bikolwa byabwe. Obalabira ku bikolwa byabwe. So abayizi gye bali ababaddeyo n'abagenda mu market abamu bagiyingidde naddanga tebannaba kuteekako nkofiira enkya. Yeah.
Christine, finally, nyechakare nizo barukuru munonga aho muziro bundo wanatekateka n'ubwa invitation aho atubundi ntakije yetabantu bagambya ne chance and kazingahi nangwana na otugaruko tujize ikintu cha intex is twine kandi kintu applying atuta twendere kinteje.
Okay. Hata abantu mwena izo barya nchakare ngo kutwagamba nizo barya mani nitubeta okutandikanisha hemwe zakasheshe. Kandi specifically nyenda nkigambe kye at Western Campus ishaka. So shahemwe ntubantu tandika kandi kugaruka kubizisya in Texas twine January, April and August. What is running ni January eruho hati tuza kuja running up to the end of February there, up to the end of January there. So abantu mwena twabeta mwije ekubo to Western Campus mwije mu joining nyenchakare kutandika shahemwe. As we talk right now, tents are set up. So nichituyamba mwije kare kugira ngo baba checking because the security is very tight. If you delay then it means nchiza kuteganisa kuza kutahamu. So abantu mwena mwije mu joining nyenchakare kandi twabeshengereza kandi ntubizusya is an invitation card here, because that is the first prerequisite for you to enter into the graduation grounds.
Your parting shots, Sean?
It's good to be here, and thank you for watching. Bulia tulaba ina Madam Christine invite you naji gabye bulungi. Parting shots the basic nyonti omuntu yenango ino mwana obuzadde yenango ino mwana obango oli mwana ngo oli kusoma abango oli interested in education ba policy makers abantu ab'omu mawulire na buli wamu batwaleko obudde okunoonyereza ddala kiki ekigenda mu maaso mu KIU. Balikirawo gyogerako nga KIU gye bamanyi eri eyedda ebintu ebirimu byamaanyi nga KIU bwegamba exploring the heights tewaliwo limit byonna byagenda mu maaso. So bigambo si bingi ebyo bimala se.
Okay, again nikujisia ngu graduation eza kube live na hano za kwano zaya proceedings okuzira events gendo measures things and forward no jakwa no butunga kakisha aho kubereba hona ahorabe ori. Thank you so much Christine watkora kunje mnonga Sean Chimwiri na niyo abantu tureba okatkora terantu enda kusima no kwendeza birungi. Yes, let's go to KIU. Maybe if you are Kora beni bohere the senior ya mukaga, or you're looking at maybe upgrading. We have a great institution, Okwetebeekanisiza Kampala International University, where we explore the heights. Good morning, AGTV West. We'll be right back.